Well, in the bitter fight between the Congress and the BJP, it's advantage BJP, having swept two states and making it a tough battle for the Congress in the third, Uttarakhand. The BJP has left the Congress stumped, but trouble for the party does not stop at the state. It must now prepare itself for an onslaught from the resurgent opposition during the budget session.
His leadership has been questioned by those within. His choice of appointments met with open defiance. And his disconnect with party workers outside Maharashtra often written about. But in the 3 years since he took charge as the national president of the Bharatiya Janata Party, Nitin Gadkari has perhaps proven his mettle. The party to form governments in 3 states and winning back a considerable vote share in 2 others.
मेरा विश्वास है कि ये चुनाव भारतीय जनता पार्टी को ताकत देंगे और ताकत से हम काम करेंगे। उत्तर प्रदेश में जो कुछ थोड़ी बहुत कमियां हैं उसका हम विश्लेषण करेंगे, अध्ययन करेंगे और उसके बाद निश्चित रूप से पूरे देश में 2014 के लिए पूरे शक्ति के साथ और ताकत के साथ हम भिड़ेंगे।
The reorganization that could make the Congress re-strategize for the budget session that gets underway in 6 days from today. And the upset in numbers for the Congress could mean that a non-Congress candidate could be the country's next president when Rajya Sabha elections take place, most likely in May.
My instinct is that many of the things that need to be done in this country in the national interest will go through. That's my instinct. But let's wait. Parliament is next week. We'll see what happens in Parliament.
The opposition by non-Congress chief ministers to the centre's NCTC plan is also another recent example of the kind of administrative roadblocks that the Congress is likely to encounter in the days to come.
I think the BJP does have an advantage because at the end of the day, it is going to be forming the government in Punjab with Akalis, in Uttarakhand on its own, and also in Goa. Now, Uttarakhand was a very close contest. In Punjab, its tally has come down, but those are things people don't remember. At the end of the day, what they will remember is it has 3 governments under its belt, and it will use that advantage in the coming months in the run-up to 2014.
While the Congress tries to put its finger on what went wrong, the scales are tipping, and the BJP knows it all too well. Bureau Report, Times Now.